Right now we are going to install a new P-trap. First thing that we are going to do is take out the old one. To do that, I've just placed a bucket underneath to catch any water that is in the J-bend down here. All right, so the old one is out. Now let's go ahead and install the new one. So I'll go ahead and show you here what we've got. This is the hardware here. The only thing you missed was I had another wall tube here that I removed the old one. It was gray, and I'm going to replace it with this new one here that you can see. So in the kit for this flexible P-trap, we got multiple nuts here. We got washers, one that goes on the wall tube that actually goes into the wall here for the drain. And then I got another washer here that I put up here on the actual drain that comes down from the sink. So this is where the P-trap will connect to first here, but let's go ahead and get the wall tube in place. And I'm just going to adjust the washer a little bit so it's nice and straight. You will go ahead and have to put on your nuts here beforehand, and then you put your washer on. So put your nuts on first, then you put your washer on afterwards. The red is the washer. And now we are going to stick that right into the wall, and I will push it in as far as I can here and just twist and turn a little bit. So there we go. It's nice into the wall there. Now when we go ahead and put the nut on, that will tighten it and give it a nice tight seal with the washer in place. Now let's go ahead and put the flexible part of the P-trap on. So this here, actually, this is the J-bend. This bottom piece connects right here, which I will screw on, and then the top piece will get in place here. So again, it came with two nuts. You will get those in place before you start screwing everything on. And then this is the genius part of it, that this is all flexible, allowing you to get it in place without actually having to cut anything and line anything up. So there we go. That is really it. And again, I've got the washer on there already. So I'm going to push this up until it connects with the washer. And then I can screw it down in place. That will pull the washer in, and everything will get that tight seal that is then waterproof, allowing everything to drain. Just going back and forth and tightening everything up really as tight as I can with just one hand here. And then let's go ahead and turn on the water. If I can just kind of reach it here. And that's it. The water is draining perfectly. There's no leaks, there's no issues, and that is a really simple thing to do. I am amazed at the stuff that they have created. So that is called a flexible P-trap, and that allows you to replace your old P-trap without really having to have any plumbing experience, any other tools to cut anything, and you can really just bend this in any fashion that you need to fit your specific space. If you like DIY around the house stuff, please feel free to check out some of my other videos and subscribe if you'd like. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.